We are made of light. Everything in our environment, all the cells in our body respond to the signals of light. And this is the incredible new understanding that is unfolding through understanding of frequency, sound, healing. It's the origin of where true healing occurs. And there are these new incredible patches that I've been introduced to about 6 months ago now called LifeWave. And what these patches do is they're a crystalline lattice structure that reflects your body's own infrared light back to itself. And it signals the body to do different things. And these signals affect everything from sleep to mood to energy to pain relief. They support cellular regeneration and repair at the deepest levels. It was invented by a man named David Schmidt. About 20 years ago, he began working on this through his work with the Navy, incredibly. And he took everything he learned and took those ideas and put them into this little patch. And now, as I share it with my family and friends and clients, I'm seeing incredible things every single day, practically. I hear stories of people who are healing and improving their well-being at so many levels. It's really phenomenal. So I'm here to share them with you. I'm sharing them with as many people as I can because I really want everyone to experience how they can take charge of their own health and well-being through these patches. So if you're interested, if you want to learn more, I would love to have a conversation with you. I would love to hear your story and just talk with you about how these patches might help you. You can message me anytime on Instagram at rewildingholly, and there'll be a link here to a link tree. And there's all kinds of links here to podcast episodes and YouTube videos and information about these patches. I can help you get started if you're ready to learn more.